hello. So you're local to here in Belgrade, are you?
Yes, I am.
And what's your name?
Lilia.
Okay, and your dog, what's your dog called?
Claire.
Okay, look, we're looking at this, and it's got this, it's a bit too big to get up all on the video unless you're in the air, but what does the flower bed spell out, and what does it mean?
Well, flowers form the name of the municipality of Zemun.
Oh, right, brilliant. I
Yes.
see. So what? That's what it
That's
says.
in the Cyrillic
In Cyrillic writing, it
Yes.
says Zemun.
Yes.
How you say it? Zemun.
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 Yes.
Zemun.
Yes.
Okay. And what are these column things?
This is the symbol of the former railway station because through Zemun and New Belgrade till the center of Belgrade there was a train going on.
Oh.
So there is the symbol museum of the former railway station.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's wonderful.
Yes.
And I guess they were columns maybe holding up a bridge or something at some stage that representative of.
Yes.
Hey, excellent. And we're right here by the Danube.
Yes.
It's very beautiful around here.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Indeed. Really.
Well, just one last thing. Yes. High five.
High five.
Yay! Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
And here is the railway track aspect of the monument here. Bippity bippity. Oh, what's that noise? What's that noise? Let's run down. Well, not run. Walk fast. Hey.